Ngayon, we will discuss o i-discuss natin yung operation of integers. So, meron tayong objective. At the end of the lesson, you are expected to solve the integers in terms of addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. So, malalaman nyo kung paano mag-add ng integers, mag-subtract, mag-multiply, at mag-divide. So, ano ba yung integer? So, integer. So, ang integer daw ay isang number that is natural number, the counting number 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, and a negative number of a natural number, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and so on, plus 0. So, meron tayong number line. So, ang mga numbers na ito, yung whole number nito 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on, hanggang sa million, trillion, yung 0, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5, and so on, yung mga number na dyan, yung mga whole number, yan ang tinatawag na integer. So, binubuo ng negative, neutral. Ang 0 ay hindi negative at hindi rin positive. Ito ay neutral. At yung positive numbers na 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, what is operation of integer? So, alam natin na ma-operate pwedeng i-operate ang integer sa pamagitan ng multiplication and so on. So, paano ba? So, meron tayong rule. Rule in addition, subtraction. So, kasi interchangeable ito, pwede itong magka-pareha o magkabaliktad-baliktad yung symbol. So, ang unlike sign, ito yung positive at negative. Or, pwede rin mauna yung negative to positive. So, ang rule niya, copy the sign of the bigger number and subtract. So, kung unlike sign sila, so for example, negative 8 plus 3, pwede rin positive 3. So, negative 8 plus 3 is equal to negative 5. Kasi, ang sign ng bigger number dito ay negative 8. So, ang sign nito is negative. So, copy yung negative. Tapos, i-subtract. 8 minus 3 is 5. So, negative 5. Isa pang halimbawa, 12 minus 3 equals 9 or positive 9. Because ang symbol ng 12 ay positive. Tapos, ang symbol ng 3 ay negative. So, ang malaking number dito ay 12. Ang symbol nito is plus. So, i-minus natin. 12 minus 3 is 9. So, positive 9 dahil ang symbol ng 12 ay positive. Dito naman tayo sa same sign. So, positive, positive, negative, and negative. So, dito, copy the sign and add the number. Simple lang ang rule. You just copy the sign and add the number. So, for example, dalawang number dito, negative silang dalawa. So, i-copyahin nyo lang. Tapos, i-add nyo yung dalawang number. 3 plus 6, 9. Ito rin, baka para sila ng positive. By the way, pag walang sign, ibig sabihin yan, positive yan. Automatic positive pag walang sign. Maliban sa 0. So, positive 3 plus 12 equals 15. So, yan yung rule ng addition, subtraction. Dito naman tayo sa rule in multiplication, division. So, sa unlike sign, itong positive, negative, negative, positive, ang rule niya is put a negative sign and multiply or divide the two numbers. So, kung unlike sign sila, maglagay kayo ng negative tapos i-multiply nyo yung dalawang number. So, for example, itong 4 at saka 8, negative 4 times 8 equals negative 32 dahil unlike sign sila. So, kopyahin nyo lang yung negative, tapos i-multiply 32. Isa pang halimbawa, 3 times negative 4. So, mayroong negative dito, kopyahin nyo lang. Tapos, 3 times 4 is 12. The same din dito sa division. Dahil may negative sa kanila, kopyahin nyo yung negative. Tapos, 12 divided 3 is 4. At yung negative 16 divided by 4 is negative 4. Dahil may negative pa rin. So, yun ang halimbawa ng unlike sign. Dito naman tayo sa same sign. Sa same sign, put a positive sign and multiply or divide the two numbers. So, for example, 9 times 11 is 99. So, positive 9 times positive 11 equals 99. So, parehas na sila positive. So, ito, para sila negative. So, pwede maglagay ng positive or automatic na yan. Pag walang sign, positive yan. So, 3 times 10, 30. So, ito pa, negative 12 divided by negative 3 is positive 4 dahil parehas sila negative. At 16 divided by 4 is 4 dahil parehas sila positive. So, meron tayong special case. For example, negative 2 times quantity. By the way, ang tawag nito, ang symbol nito, quantity to, or di ba yung open parenthesis, ay ang symbol na yan ay multiplication. So, pwedeng basahin kagaya nito, negative 2 quantity of negative 3 minus quantity of negative 4 equals 10. So, paano sinolve yan? So, naging 6 plus 4. Bakit naging 6 plus 4? Because negative times negative is positive. Then, 2 times 3, 6. So, yung symbol na parenthesis ay multiplication yan. Tapos, itong negative times negative is positive. 4, copy lang yung 4, equals 10. So, 6 plus 4 is 10. Because negative times negative is positive. Negative times negative, positive. The same rule nung sa dumaang slide. Another. Ito naman sa addition. Hindi pala. So, 7, quantity of 7 times quantity of 7 minus quantity of negative 13 equals 7 plus 13 because negative times negative is positive 13. So, kinuha lang yung parenthesis dito because kung merong 1 dyan, 1 times 7 is 7. So, negative 1, merong 1 dyan, negative 1 times negative is positive 13. So, 7 plus 13 is 20. So, meron tayong exercises in addition. So, pwede nyong alamin bakit naging ganyan. Pwede nyong i-pause ang video at pag-aralan nyo kung bakit ganyan ang solusyon. So, pwede nyong i-pause ang video. Meron naman tayong exercises para sa multiplication and division. So, yan. So, ito, negative times negative, positive. 3 times 3, 9. So, bilis-bilisan lang natin. So, positive times negative, negative. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative, negative. 3 times 4 times 2 times 2, 48. Negative times negative, positive. Positive times negative, positive times positive is positive. Tapos, positive times positive, positive. So, 3 times 2 times 4 times 3 is 72. So, obvious naman, meron negative. So, copy lang yung negative. Divide nyo 4. Parehas lang din. Tapos, ito, kunin nyo yung LCD. Yung LCD nito is ng 3 at saka yung 5 is 15. So, you just multiply 5 times 3, 15. Tapos, kopyahin nyo lang yung numerator, negative 2. Tapos, yung 15, i-divide nyo sa 3. Ang sagot niyan, 5. So, ilagay nyo dyan, 5, quantity of 5, plus, kopyahin nyo yung negative 4. Tapos, 15 divided by 5, 3. Ilagay nyo dyan yung 3. Equals, negative times positive, negative. 2 times 5, 10. Tapos, positive times negative, negative. 4 times 3, 12. So, same sign sila, kopyahin nyo lang, add, and then, copy the sign. So, 22 over 15. Balik tayo dati. I-explain natin ng konti. Exercises and addition and subtraction. So, 2 minus 9, because mas malaki yung 9, so, yung sign niya, kopyahin nyo, tapos i-subtract 7. So, same sign sila, kopyahin nyo lang ang sign, tapos i-add 15. Dito naman, kopyahin nyo yung magkaparehas na sign, i-add nyo yung magkaparehas. So, 3 plus 35 plus 34, 72. Tapos, yung magkaparehas naman ng sign, negative 21, negative 12. So, kopyahin nyo, i-add nyo sila, kopyahin nyo yung sign. So, negative 23. equals 49. So, ito naman, kopyahin nyo yung mga positive una. So, yung positive dito, plus 3, plus 4, equals 7. Yung mga negative naman, negative 5, negative 10, and negative 9 is equals negative 24. So, subtract nyo siya. Mas malaki yung negative, so kopyahin nyo. 24 minus 7 is 17. The same process lang. So, negative 13, negative 10, negative 14, and negative 44 is equal to negative 81. So, kopyahin nyo lang yung positive 34. So, subtract nito. Mas malaki yung 81. So, kopyahin nyo yung negative sign. Tapos, subtract nyo. Naging 47. So, mathematics is complex made simple. That's all for operation on integers. Thanks for listening. Subscribe.